Inflation is in check. The Consumer Price Index, better known as CPI, that gauges inflation, hit the mark at an expected rise of 2.7% in November. Let's bring in Joe Tigay of Equity Arm Investments. I know people are concerned about inflation, Joe.
Yeah, we are concerned about inflation. We got no surprises from the inflation report. And I think that's great news. And maybe the best news is housing costs, which were the biggest component of what was driving inflation to remain stubbornly high. That's finally cooling off a little bit. Remember, the Fed only lowered rates, Angie, in September. So it's not been a long time, and it takes a while for it to filter through the system. So there is some easing in housing costs. The Fed's got to feel great about that. The market's pricing in for sure they will cut next week, and we're going to have a big news event next week. Will the market expect another cut coming in January? So we'll be watching next week. We're not going to be seeing whether or not they're going to cut or not. We're going to see whether or not there's going to be another cut coming in January. Anyways, when all that happens, you see interest rates falling, you see the dollar falling, and you see tech stocks and growth names roaring. That's what we want to see all through the rest of the year.
Have a great trading day, Joe.
Thank you for having me.